So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to bold text on Google Docs. If I were to go ahead and just type in the word bold text right here, I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to bold the text right here, go ahead and highlight the text. Go to this top bar where it says bold, or you can go ahead and press Command B. So if I press Command B, it'll bold it or unbold it. So that's the way you can do that. If you want only certain areas bolded, you can go ahead and do that as well. If you want, if this isn't appearing for some reason, the B right here, go to Format, press on Text, go to Bold right here. You can select it, and it'll bold text that way. If you want individual letters not bolded or bolded, you can go ahead and do that as well. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to bold text on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.